So I am back home working on cars. I'm off from work and starting my second job, my side hustle. I have this beauty, only 60,000 miles, doing the $60,000 maintenance. Pretty much you have to inspect a lot of things, rotate tires, change oil, transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is not really mandatory. They have that lifetime fluid, but if you want to keep the car long, it's better to have better to change it. Everything is pretty nice. It's garage kept, and usually you don't see in the East Coast frames are like this. Usually they have so much surface rust. Everything is pretty good in this. Slight dent. Hey, what's up, man?
Sorry, I got confused. I didn't think there was parking here anymore because of this shit.
Yeah.
But so I actually parked by your house, and then I saw your like one person to help me in the kitchen, because doing like 150 portions by myself isn't that bad. But if I was doing that like 3 times a week, that's when it gets a little bit difficult. So what do you think?
Yeah, pretty good. Once you start, you'll know exactly.
I think I'll be successful. Like, I've done a lot of research. You know, I went to all these markets to kind of look how they're. You sign up, they ask you, how many markets do you want to do? So when you work with them, it's great because you can apply and do multiple markets. The issue with the Falls Church Market is it's only one. It's only on Saturdays. You can't apply for more than one because there is only one. So let's see, weekly possible schedule, weekly schedule, Monday through Sunday. So this is what I did. So look. And I looked at all their all the farms that they do on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays they have, you know, different farms. So Tuesday from this place called Culture Farm is a good place where I could buy my butter, eggs. Beautiful. It's like, and she has so many windows in her kitchen, so it lets in all this natural light.
Yeah. Dude,
it's perfect to do fucking like videos.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do, the videos, because it's so nice.
Yeah.
Easter beast. Because I've already kind of set up a thing where I'm not gonna use their walk-in refrigerator. I'm just gonna send my own refrigerator, have it downstairs in the parking lot, because they have a little space that's just for them. So that way, if they're walking, if the refrigerator goes down, my stuff doesn't go down.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna go online, and I'll keep talking until I get a decent order.
What do you mean, a decent?
DoorDash.
Oh.
I mean, if it's like 7 miles away and they give me $4, I'm not fucking doing that.
Yeah.
Do you still do DoorDash or not?
No, it's not worth it.
Huh?
Not worth it. Not worth my time.
Really well. Shit.
Yeah, Called a Toyota.
Huh?
It's called a Toyota.
See, for example, this is.
Look up YouTube.
Where I can get it.
Right here.
Oh. See where? I'll see you like
Yep.
hopefully on Sunday. If you,
Yep.
if you come.
All right. So I cleaned the throttle body. My friend was here, so I was talking with him. Changed the oil, and now trying to put this damn stupid airbox in. Okay. Perfect. It's in. If you have a Toyota truck and if you jack it up, and make sure always keep a can of spray can where you jacked. Just put a, if it, you never know, you might have done some scratches, just put a layer of paint so you know it's not gonna rust later on. Just covering up scratched up places every time. Do it for Toyota, actually any truck, because every time you jack it up it makes a scratch when you put the jack stands or anything. So was like kind of hanging. As soon as I removed it, kind of just fell down. So I'm gonna put that back, and this, you just pull it out. That's the old cabin filter, and the new one goes in. Airflow. Huh. Okay, this side is up. gotta float this way. Okay, it goes like this. Bam, done. I gotta put this back, which is kind of a pain. Not a pain actually, it's just annoying. That's good. And bam. And that's done. This is next day morning on this Tacoma. I'm draining the transmission fluid. There are two bowls. One is the filler check. This is the drain. And there is a filler from the other side. That's where you fill all the fluid. I'm gonna do a flush. So pretty much you overfill this. Then you remove so this outer line, you remove it from here. The one on the top, and redirect into a bucket, and once you start, it will start pumping out the old fluid. Let me double check. I think it's the top. It reached the same temperature, so I'm gonna remove this. And that's when you close it. In these, always grease these. That a little bit of grease. The reason you're greasing these are when you make a U-turn, that piece rubs each other, and it's gonna be creaking and making all kind of noises when you're making a U-turn. So next is the drive shafts needs to be greased. See, these are grease nipples. I need two hands, so one pump on each corner. You have those nipples, you have to re-grease all of them. Just one pump, that's it, and keep it greased and lasting forever.
The front drive shaft. Oh, no. So fun too. Look at that, do it.
Another thing that you have to do is, especially the trucks in southern states that you barely get snow, the issue is you'll never ever put it into the four-wheel drive, and next thing you know, you're trying to put it in to four-wheel drive. It wouldn't work because for years it's just been two-wheel drive. Here it's not an issue because you constantly end up using the four-wheel drive, but always go through, put four-wheel high and see whether it engages. See, it engaged, and put four-wheel drive low. Push low, it engaged. Wow, this thing, it engages quick. Do a few times so it switch on and off, and that will keep it lubricated, I mean moving. And so as for this car, everything's good and ready to go.